Unsung organic map, vocabulary sung over a period of time. This is not a graph, this is a map. Let me describe it line by line. Overall it is clear to see the area was developed gradually. Some places were replaced, others stayed. Major changes were clearly displayed. In general, the map shows growth from simple land to modern use. Facilities were added over time and old structures were removed. Built, constructed, developed, demolished, removed, replaced, converted into something new. These verbs work for every map you do. Built, constructed, strong, removed, replaced. Sing along. Located to the north, to the south, to the east and to the west, right next to, near, close to. These location words are the best. In the center, on the corner, along the road, across the park. Location words never change, they help the examiner mark. A road was extended, a path was added there. Streets were widened and traffic flowed with care. A road was extended, a path was added there. Streets were widened and traffic flowed with care. A residential area was built, a commercial zone appeared. A car park, a shopping center, a school and hospital were here. Green space was reduced, but facilities increased. The land was used more effectively as development never ceased. In the past there were. In the future it will be there. Was replaced by will be built. Grammar simple, writing guilt-free. Home was replaced, will be built. Maps feel easy, legit. Compared to the earlier map, the later one shows more change. The area became more developed, though some features remained the same. While some buildings disappeared, others stayed in place. This balanced comparison style brings band 7 plus pace. Overall, built, replaced, removed, extended, widened, land improved. North, south, east, west clear, next to, near, examiner cheers. Residential, commercial too, was, were, will be built for you. Sing this once before the exam. IELTS maps, yes I can. No opinions, no reason why, just describe what meets the eye. Maps are simple, words are few. This song writes the task for you.